Hello, listen to me. If you're an African that lives in the diaspora, I want to talk to you. This is for you. This information can change your life forever. I want to talk about two things. I want to talk to you about the way you are working. If you are over 40, you are still working 16 hours a day. You are digging your grave gradually. Yes, because medically you need 7 to 8 hours sleep for you to stay healthy. That is number one. You are looking at me that what is she saying? How will you do it if you do not work 16 hours a day? There is a plan B. Learn how you can market a digital program online. Learn how you can have additional source of income online. Online space is paying now legitimately. That is number one. Number two, if you are an African immigrant, you do not have a life insurance. Not time life that they are giving you at that your 9 to 5 job. Majority of us have talked to people that say, I have life insurance, so insurance will be sharing now. If you get fired today, go and research. Unless you have been in that work for over 10 years. Life, especially we that we are so greedy, insurance that will not contribute is what you are looking for. The same way you are not contributing, that is the same way you are going to be living. You are living it where you are no longer working with them, or maybe they sack you or you sack yourself. So if you don't have life insurance now to protect yourself, you are like somebody that do not have that build a house without a roof. When the rain is falling, what you are in dry season, you are enjoying. This is the dry season. When the rain started, where will you run to? Your house does not have a roof. If you are an African that lives in the diaspora without a life insurance with living benefits that will protect you, that you will fall back to when you have an unforeseen circumstances like sickness, like losing your job, like when your loved one is sick, or like when you pine, so that your family will see something to take care of you. When you are alive, even you are sick, or when you die. But when you die, why do you need life insurance with living benefit? Why do you need all life? You need it for two things: to protect yourself and protect your family. Life insurance is the only thing that is probate court free. You don't know what a probate court is. Probate court is the court that oversees some people's estate I mean property when that person die. Everybody's estate, not some people. Go and research. Go to Google. What is probate court? Majority of us did not know what probate court is. And we are not aware. We don't care. Majority of us are aware. That is why you see those people that is wealthy. They will die and they will still be doing GoFundMe for them. These are these two things that I want to discuss with you. Yes, you that you are looking at me. Number one, you need a plan B. You need a backup. That's your job. If you have only, your life depends on 9 to 5 job alone in this America or in any part of Western world. You are like a car without an extra tire. Yes. Anything can happen. God forbid bad thing, I know. It's not my portion, I know. And the second one is, you must have a life insurance with living benefits. You want to have a business as a plan B, you don't know what to do. Visit my profile. You want to have a life insurance, you don't know where to go, you don't know how to get started. Visit my profile. Send me an email and I will get back to you. Please share this live stream. Please share this this video. Follow for more. Thank you.